something. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Hit it. Let's see what it is. Man, he ain't coming up. He ain't coming up. Oh, man. Some birds diving over there. More than likely little trout. Probably sail cats, but I'm going to try it anyway. I don't want to pass it up. I don't know if you can see them on camera. I'm going to head on over there. Guess we'll eventually get there. Maybe I should have cranked up the big motor. Let's see. Let's see if it's more catfish. I don't know why I keep doing this. It's either small trout or sail cats. Very rarely is it trout you can keep. I don't know why I keep doing this. There he is. Ah, diving. Diving ready. Son of a gun, man. I keep falling for it. Look at this. Stupid. Oh my God. There he is. I hit it like a catfish. He ain't coming up either. Shoot. Yeah, he's diving. Shoot, man. Get off my hook, man. Alright. Move a little bit. Let me pick up the anchor. It's the new anchor, right? The spot lock. You know, I traded a car for this Minn Kota. I mean, it wasn't much of a car. It was a Chevy Sonic, but it was my wife's car. She don't need a car, right? Boat needs this. She don't need a car. I made a little move to a different spot. Kind of like a little pipeline going out into a bay. Let's see what happens here. You ever notice these little guys look like a little shark in the front? Open up, bro. Alright. Leave me alone. So the catfish crap keeps on going. It's some son of a gun. Got me good. The last one I got this sting relief pad. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I don't know if this is for a bee sting or catfish. They smell like alcohol. That's about it. If I could get it out, maybe I could. There we go. There. Ooh, that fucking hurt. Ooh, that son bitch got me right there. It went deep too. Tell you what, this stuff sold me. I don't know what's in it, but it took the sting out of that catfish poke I got. It went deep. It wasn't bleeding. You had to kind of squeeze the blood out. But look at my hand now. We'll throw the cast in and see if we get some bait. Maybe catch a fish. I know, I put it in my mouth. This motherfucker caught me. I know there's a better way to throw it, but throwing it like that since I was 5 years old. Or close to 50 years. I'm freaking 54 now. Whew. Okay. Close that net there. Womp, womp, womp. Alright, catfish, stay off my damn line. Nice, some shrimp jumping down over there. There he is. Oh, there's some bait definitely over there. There's something going on. There he is. Is it? Oh, it's a tangled up catfish. No, a little trout. Alright. Whoop! Man, as soon as it hit the water. Alright. Hey bird, what you doing? All right. Oh my God. Guy hit hard for how little he is. I don't know how this little white trout got this in his mouth. He's not much smaller than the rig. All right, little guy, I'm gonna let you go. You're a hungry little guy, huh? Pretty little trout. Whoop, whoop, whoop. How y'all doing? All in all, a good day for me. I'm happy. I got 8 trout. Go home and have a fish fry. Nothing for me to eat. My kids don't need to eat, and neither does my wife. So, but I appreciate you watching. Catfish hurt my hand. Have a good weekend.